simultaneous equation. So you are asked to solve this in 60 seconds, which is your OBJ, either in jump or post UME. So we're asked to solve 3x plus 3y is equal to 18 as equation 1, then 5x plus 3y is equal to 28 as equation 2. So we know that in simultaneous equation, if we are to solve simultaneously, we have elimination method, substitution method. We have a method called by trick, and that by trick is actually subtraction that we are doing. Okay, it's actually subtraction. Now, this knocking it out is just a simple technique where you use from the options, you plug into the equation any question that is given to find out your correct answer. Did you get that now? So I call it knocking it out. These are help us in mathematics, and it has helped us in chemistry as well. Well, under chemistry, where you'll be given the molecular mass of vapor density and empirical percentage, and the rest of them are given. It will take even the tutor to solve that question for 5 to 10 minutes. So while giving it to a student to answer it under 60 seconds, but for your post-UM it's not to 60 seconds, it's about 45 seconds. So how you can be answering some of these questions in 20 seconds. And let's go. Now we're given option A 5, 1. That means the value of x is 5 while it's 1. Option B, we have 5 for x, y as minus 1. Option C, x is equal to 3, while y is equal to 2. Then option D, we have x is equal to 3, while y is equal to minus 2. Did you get that? Now, all you simply need to do over here is to look at the options, plug it to any of the equations. It must give you what you have after the equal to. Now, option A is the correct option. As a smart student, you should quickly know. But we are still going to use other options to test what we are, solving. Option A is the correct answer over there. Now, for the value of x is 5. So wherever we see x in equation 1, we put 5. That is 3 times. We are going to have 3 times 5 plus 3 times 1 will be equal to 18, because 3 times 5 is 15, then plus 3 times 1 is 3. So 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Now, if we try that in equation 2, to be sure of what we are, for neophytes, people who are not used to knocking it out, if we try that in equation 2, we are going to have 5 times 5, that's 25, plus 3 times 1. 5 times 5 is 25, right? 3 times 1 is 3. Then, when you add 25 and 3 together, you have 28. You see the knocking it out method. Okay, so once you test it in any of the equation, you pick your option and go. It's knocking it out. It is tested and valid. Okay, like I said, it's applicable in mathematics and in chemistry. And if you try other options, you discover you will not have it. Like I told you, once you look at the option, you plug it to equation to see that the left hand side must be equal to right hand side. You plug into one of the simplest equation. We can see that equation 1 seems to be the simplest over there. So a smart student will know that option A is the correct one. Now let's try option B, for example, to see whether it will be the same. It can never be the same. Now option B say x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 1. If we place it in equation 1, that will be 3 times 5, that is 15, plus 3 times minus 1. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Did you get that now? So 15 minus 3 will give us what? 12. So it's not 18. It's not correct. Same way when you plug it in equation 2. If you try option C, option D is the same. So I implore you to make use of knocking out techniques. Like I said, it's applicable in every equation, including indices equation. Indices equation. Indices equation is the same, where you have 2x raised to a power of index. They will always give you a whole number. They can say it is equal to 84. They can tell you it is equal to 32. The way this equation normally look at. Then they will not give you options. So you can still knock it out using the same techniques. So this is the end of our class for today. We hope this helped you. Good night.